Hey guys, my name is Chase Whipple, and I am the co-founder of Seagull Finance, and we're bringing to you Seagull Vaults on Solana. And my co-founder can better introduce himself.
Hi, everyone. My name is Max Monsiordini, and we're really excited to share with you what we've been working on with Seagull Vaults and how Seagull Vaults can help unlock capital efficiency and speculation markets on the Solana blockchain. So we'd like to start by introducing you to the problem. So when a user makes an investment on a DeFi platform, they typically have several options. So they may stake their tokens, lock them in governance, have it borrowed against, or even lend out uh, their asset. But it's always at the cost of some missed opportunity. And so, for example, a user may want to stake in an asset, but also earn yield on that asset simultaneously, which isn't currently possible. And so the problem is that assets and their yield are linked together, which destroys capital efficiency and limits speculation markets. And so the solution to this problem is Seagull Vaults. So with Seagull Vaults, as a user, when you deposit your assets into Seagull Vaults, you'll receive two derivative tokens. One of these tokens represents the base token, which allows the user to purchase long-term spot positions at a discount. And the other token is the yield token, which allows for speculation on yield or interest rates going up or down. And additionally, we have another feature, which is multi-asset vaults. So you can think of this as almost like an index fund where users can have a vault, for example, with 65% Solana and 35% USDC.
And more on multi-asset vaults. Our protocol is protocol agnostic, meaning that we can plug and play different protocols across the Solana ecosystem, which gives us access to a wider range of assets and yield opportunities. We can integrate with liquid staking derivatives, lending markets such as Solend, or even CLAMM vaults such as Camino. We plan to launch, however, with Sol and USDT/USDT being our main pairings.
And building on that, one of the other primary features of our multi-asset vaults is diversification. So our vaults have the ability to diversify deposits across multiple providers, as previously mentioned, to spread risk and maximize yield. So this is similar to what one might expect as index fund investing.
And you might ask, what's our market opportunity? Well, the current market is fragmented and lacks a comprehensive solution to the problem. Seagull Vault has the potential to capture a vast majority of the market share. And you might ask, why is that? Well, our competitive advantage of being protocol agnostic allows us to integrate with different protocols, provide partnerships with them, and so many different things. It allows us to provide a vast diversification to our users to decrease risk and increase yield. And we just have a good team, and we have strong aspirations to build high quality DeFi products on Solana.
And so here's a little introduction to the composition of our small team of two developers. So on the left here is Chase. Chase is our Solana smart contract engineer, as well as he does a little bit of front end. And then here on the right is me, Max. I am for this project so far, the front end web developer. But at one point, if the project calls for it, I also have the experience to implement a back end if necessary.
And let's talk about our roadmap. Q2 2023, we plan to launch Seagull Vault once audited, with support for Sol and USDT/USDT, like we mentioned above. Q3, we have plans to expand to those different protocol, like lending protocols such as Camino Finance and Solend and so forth. And in Q4, we plan to expand our market and user acquisition, and we want to capture that market share.
All right, so this about wraps it up. So Seagull Vaults provides a revolutionary solution to a long-standing problem in the DeFi space. We provide you with a lot more flexibility when it comes to deciding where you're going to stake your assets. And so our team is well positioned to execute on our roadmap, and we have the experience necessary to do so. And we believe that we can capture a significant portion of the market share that's available. So we hope that you'd like to join us on our journey to unlock capital efficiency and speculation on the Solana blockchain. So thank you for your time.
Thanks,
we
guys.
appreciate you taking the time to watch this presentation today.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, it's Max here with the product demo of our Seagull Finance dashboard. So this will be quick. So we have a little overview up here. You can get some information about the Seagull platform. In the center here, we have a holding section where you can get information about your portfolio, how your investments are performing if you hadn't invested with Seagull, and how it would if you had. And over on the right, we have your vaults section where you can see your current positions, and you can open up the vaults to see the different quarters that you've invested in. And I'll hand it off to Chase to continue with the available vaults section.
And down here we have all the vaults our platform supports. And if we go ahead and click on one of them, we can see that we have a nice animation, and it shows our composition and the APR of the vault up here. And we can go ahead and attempt to deposit into, let's say, the Q1 vault. And let's execute this deposit instruction. You can see it shows up on Phantom, and that went through. And we can get back in here to withdraw that same exact asset we just deposited, and go ahead and send that through as well. So the vaults are fully functional with the UI and the SDK and everything, and we hope you guys enjoy our UI. And if you want to check out more of the SDK and more information on our project and contract and technical details, check out the GitHub repo where you'll find more. Thanks, guys.